Today we're going to be reviewing this wireless game controller. It's multi-platform, compatible with PC, Switch, iOS and Android. It's from Gamesir. I got this off Aliexpress. Very good price. Tri-mode connection, so obviously wireless, Bluetooth, cable. So you've got Hall effect drift-proof sticks, personalization software, and it does have its own app. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Looks like a sticker from Gamesir. So this QR code is your link to your user manual. Comes in a nice case, strong, good quality. Opening the case, and there's the controller itself. Feels very comfortable in the hands, nice and heavy, feels solid. Nice action on the buttons. Nice smooth action on the sticks. No fingerprints. Good material. Looks like a well-made controller. There's your USB-C port there for charging. Okay, let's have a quick look at the user manual. I've downloaded this off the Gamesir website. The home button, view button. We have a button for screenshots, menu. We have our normal ABXY. We have our sticks, D-pad and M button. Classic so far. If something goes wrong, we do have a reset button on the bottom of the controller. We have our basic functions, what all the lights are doing. Steady, so right now I do have a steady light on the controller. Some other operating instructions, low battery warning. Then we do have some combo connections, tutorial for Switch connection, Android, iOS, advanced tutorial, turbo settings, button combinations, increase decrease grips vibration intensity, sticks and triggers calibration, controller reset. So a simple to the point manual. Okay, let's just do a quick test for stick drift. Everything seems to be perfect. Okay, so we're in Steam now and we've gone to the controller support. Let's do a test. So we click on rumble to start with and it does vibrate. Okay, let's check the left joystick. Perfect, returns back to 0. Right joystick, perfect. Right trigger, left trigger, right trigger. That seems to work perfectly in Steam. Let's try a game. So if you like the look of this controller and you want to get one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description as well as some discount codes. As always, thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and I'll see you in the next one.